feel like so hot right now because I do have like a lot of clothes on me. Well, I am on my way to the first hotel. Not really hotel, but anyway, villa. Sorry. So the way from the airport is quite easy. It's nothing serious about to find a way from here. So yeah, let's see. Let's be honest, this villa is freaking awesome. Yeah, so I don't have time right now to show you all of this stuff, but I'm gonna do it tomorrow, I guess, or maybe tonight, because right now I need to go to the city to see my friend's campers. And yes,
Don't eat this. Just
okay.
then you open this. This is the coconut milk. And then just pour it all over the rice. The rice. Yes, and
Then what? The love?
eat it.
How is
That's
supposed
it.
to?
Just get a little bit of mango. A little bit of rice.
Get it.
Perfect. Dali mo lang.
Gumagalaw? Gumagalaw. Gumagalaw.
Why?
Experience.
There's
Right?
still something.
Ice, fish. You want shrimp? It's okay. Shrimp, it's okay. You try this?
I don't know.
Do they have this in Thailand? Yeah, it's not. I have allergy. Oh, okay. She can eat. You want to eat?
Let's go.
Queen shrimp.
Migraine is terrible. That's my problem.
It's terrible.
Well, so I just came back and it's like around 1 a.m. already. And that's the villa. It's freaking cool. We have sink over here. We have a shower over here, and the toilet over there. Quite cool. So this bath, so impressive, but I don't really like to take baths, so yeah. And they actually give this bubble bath, but I'm not going to use it anyway. But still cute. Incredible bath. The light over here, but the most coolest thing over here in this room, that they have a little garden, or I don't know how you can call it. Anyway, that's so good. That's so good. Talking about the 2 days in Bangkok, it was cool. I really like it actually, because I spent time with the campers from the Philippines and I really wanted to meet them. They're so cute, so nice. They took care of me, like, I don't know why, but they took care of me and it was so cute. And thanks to them, because I don't know what I would do here. I don't know what about tomorrow. I don't want to think about battles. I just want to dance tomorrow, which is good, I guess. I want to dance, enjoy Grump, and enjoy communities over here, and get inspired from the other countries' Grump. So, yeah. staying in the VeVilla was pretty nice. I didn't sleep well, I don't know why, but I don't think it's a problem of the hotel. So yeah, I would recommend this one. Right now I am on the way to the battles. The way to the A1 hotel is quite weird. I mean, like, it seems like a jail or something. I don't know where I'm going. I can imagine myself walking here at night time. So I hope it's another way how to get there, because here it's also no sidewalk. So yeah, weird. What do we have here? A1 boutique hotel. That's good, okay. Well, that's good, but I don't know when I'm going to use it, because I have battles today. I'm probably not going to sit over here. Yeah, the view not really good, but for one night it's okay. Well, that's cool, I like it. What about the bathroom? The most important thing. Well, that's good. It's nice.
He's just doing it different.
Doing Australian.
Oh, you Australian?
Oi, mate. Oi, mate.
What up, mate?
Oi!
Hoi. Hoi.
Hoi!
Hoi.
Hoi, hoi, hoi.
Hoi. You want crampers?
It's gonna be a challenge. Where is the place for me? You said I'm gonna stay here. So we are going 3 of us on this one. So I'm gonna sit here. You're gonna drive. Then your wife. Then me. Should we hug each other? I danced a lot today. For me, I mean, like, it's not a lot, but still. But it was so good. I really liked the event. I'm happy I came here. And I forgot how cool it is to be with crumpers, with friends, to see new crumpers. Yeah. Good day, but I need to sleep, and because I need to find another hotel for tomorrow. I still don't have a place to sleep for tomorrow, so I want to wake up early to figure out. Good night. Good morning. What's good feeling when you just woke up after the battles and your body is kind of, I don't know, I don't feel any like really pain in my body, but still I feel so not even tired. I have full of energy, and this is great because, you know, when you get inspired and you are so up because everything is so good. Yeah, today I have a free day, so I'm gonna explore a little bit of Bangkok city and yeah, enjoying my time here. See you around. Well, okay, I'm again on my way to another hotel. So bye bye A1. Probably I'm not going to stay here anymore. I don't really like it. balcony. No way, no way, no way. Good. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Balcony. I walked 18,000 steps. And one thing I really wanted right now is a beer. No, no, no. Here in Bangkok, and I'm going to find some breakfast before I go to airport. Damn, my body is hurt a lot. my last hours here in Bangkok. So lazy to go somewhere else. That's why I'm just like looking around my hotel. I don't know what area is this. It's so quiet. Just enjoying. That's it.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
I'm home. It's really, really cold, so my only one dream right now is just go to the bed. No, take a shower, go to the bed. And yeah, the trip to Bangkok was amazing. Now I am more than excited about next week for the trip to South Korea. Yeah, bye.